we had a topping out ceremony where we raised the last beam to be put in place with a signature tree on it to symbolize the topping out of the structure. So the topping out ceremony started way back in time when construction used to mostly involve wood. And the thought was to raise a symbolic tree at the end of the structure. It was paying homage to the trees in the forest, that we didn't need any more trees to build the structure. And that was the symbolic celebration of that event, is they finalized the wood structure.
The next phase is putting the rafters on the sanctuary. You'll start to see the shape of the building once we start putting those rafters up. After that, we'll start putting the skin on the outside of the building to dry it in, get some heat in the building, and start our finishes.
So once we set the columns on the rebar anchor bolts, then we bolted those in, put grout underneath those columns, and then poured back the concrete. With the concrete poured back in place, we could start on the actual superstructure, connecting all the columns together. And you'll notice where they did some welding and bolting to tie all that structure in. We were able to finish up by putting the roof deck on, the flat areas, and then start installing the straps for the mechanical systems. You'll notice on the floor of the slab on grade, there are red lines with duct dimension sizes where we actually laid out the duct work on the ground, and that translated to the roof up above, so they knew how to hang their straps and properly locate their mechanical systems up in the ceiling.